Outstanding national junior representative and outgoing Homewood Technical senior athlete Samantha Pryce is back home after spending the last 2 months in the United States, recovering from a broken leg for which she underwent surgery. Homewood Technical's 19-year-old athlete Samantha Pryce was met by relatives and coaches as she arrived at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay on Thursday, a full 2 months after she suffered a broken left leg while representing Homewood Technical at this year's Penn Relays in Philadelphia back in April. The incident occurred while Pryce was about to finish the first leg of the Championship of America Girls 4x800 meter contest. She is grateful to be back on home soil.
I'm feeling very excited to see all my family members, coaching staff, my teammates. I'm feeling very happy. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who put out their all in ensuring that my recovery was well taken care of, and I hope and pray that the Lord continue to bless you all.
Samantha's mother, Antoinette Pryce, was also joyful to see her back home.
I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm so happy to see her. And honestly, in the condition that she's in now, I'm really happy for that. I never expected her to overcome so quickly. I cried when it just happened, because I really expected her to do, whatever she's put to do. But I'm thankful, even though I cried in the first stage. But after that, I'm feeling much better, knowing the treatment that she's getting.
Dwight Jones, a member of the coaching staff at Homewood Technical, reflected on the outstanding career Pryce has had while representing the 10-time national champions.
Her career at Homewood was great. She has been doing well all through the classes, from class 3, class 2, this year being her final year at class 1. She'll leave on a bang, winning 2 gold medals, in the 3,000 meters and the 3,000 steeplechase, and went on to the Carifta Games in Kingston and won the 3,000. So she has done well for Homewood over the years, and she had a good final year.
In the meantime, Pryce is looking forward to resuming her career in short order.
After the physical therapies that I'm going to do in Jamaica, after that, then yes, I will continue running. Seeing that I have to continue therapy in Jamaica. After the therapy, we will see how it goes from there with the running. The academic now, I have to try and see if I can read up and do some research, revise, and then we'll take it from there.
Pryce is now slated to take up a track and field scholarship in January. She will choose from a list of 3 U.S. colleges.